Hi, I'm Jim Jubak, and welcome to my Trend of the Week YouTube video. This week's Trend of the Week is China stocks soar on end to tech crackdown. First chart I'm going to look at is for DiDi Global, because this is really where the big recent trouble started. Because there was an investigation of DiDi and delisting possibilities. We're looking at a stock that's really been cut from 9.5 to 1.5 in that period of time. I look at a chart for 1 month, you can see this is the kind of reversal I'm talking about. The reason for this is that Chinese regulators have basically signaled that they're backing off, that they have said they're very close to resolve to ending the investigation into DiDi. There was even rumor earlier this week that they might be willing to allow Ant Financial Group, the spinoff from Alibaba, to go public again. Looks like that may be a premature announcement. The stocks are all down heavily today, which creates a really good chance to get in on that news. You look at a chart for Alibaba, and this is what we're looking at here. Alibaba owns a big hunk of Ant Financial, so that's where you get this big drop here. 10 cent, 1 month looks like that. JD.com, sort of my choice for playing the e-commerce business in China is actually not Alibaba, but because I think that company's still got a big target on its back from regulators. And then you can still see, they don't own a hunk of Ant Financial, you can see the reaction to that, but this is the pattern I'm looking for. And then finally, an ETF that I use to play the Chinese market called iShares China Large-Cap ETF, FXI, which is in my ETF portfolio on jubakpicks.com. What you're really looking for here is a continuation of this upward trend in the last month, which I don't think has played out, as more and more investors become convinced that Chinese regulators indeed are pulling back. The Chinese economy is struggling to get 5% growth. That's more like 4.5 right now. So these are big engines. These are potentially big engines of growth. Chinese Communist Party would like more growth in the Chinese economy this year. They've got an unemployment problem that's looming on the horizon if they don't get more growth. I think they're going to keep relaxing rules on these companies, at least for a while, until the economy gets roaring. And that means I think you can play this for a little longer. Okay, if you like this video, please like it. You can subscribe to my YouTube channel. We're doing about 3 a week. If you want to see 3 of my portfolios, you can go to my free site. That's jubakpicks.com. If you want 6 portfolios, that includes the ETF portfolio with FXI in it, as well as some options plays and longer term risky stocks. You can go to my paid site. That's jubakam.com. Thanks for watching today, and I'll see you next time.